We got nothing.
We got nothing.
We got wind. We got power to push.
So what we're going to do is we're going to push this thing in, then we'll light it off so you can hear the clunk. And then we'll go from there.
Who's driving? Allie's driving.
This is worse than the Galaxie, I swear. Holy moly. Wow.
It's a hybrid.
Man, this thing's quiet.
Oh my god.
The engine's okay.
Okay, guys, ready?
We're going. Cut.
Turn.
No, don't slow. Keep the momentum.
Oh my gosh.
Okay,
Straighten it out.
Okay, ready?
straighten her up.
Holy, this is a workout, you guys. Oh my god.
Just ran over my foot.
Watch that lift.
That's okay. You got two.
Watch the lift. Watch the lift.
We're good. Chuck, you okay? No. You're gonna bleed probably. Chuck accidentally put his foot under the tire.
Oh my god, are you okay?
Yeah.
He's fine.
Are we good right here?
We're good. You want to hit
Let's
that
bring it in a little further.
parking brake?
Okay.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
You want to hit that brake, Allie?
She broke the car.
Oh my god, that was crazy. Did you see that?
I have that on video. It's great.
Hi,
Woo, new guy.
I'm really bad. This is Bobby, Chuck.
Be able to remember this stuff.
Adam, Chuck, Jeff, Daniel, Steven, Allison. I'm getting better. Adam. Graham. Right?
Woo!
Any chicken gets
Chuck, what are you doing? Are you huffing?
Now I am.
Nice.
we just collect $10 for
That's that Chuck Sherman custom fuel pump.
No wonder our huge.
Gravity. It's not gravity fill. It's Sherman pressured.
There we go. It's got a piquant aftertaste.
Now, do you prefer Unical over Esso or any particular brands?
Hey, guess what? It's
think
all the
that's
same.
Arco.
They just cost different.
I think it's Arco. Okay, so now we've got some fuel in it. Let's put it in park
Put it in park, somebody.
and set the brake.
The brake's set. Allie set the brake.
I have no idea how to set the brake.
Allie already did it.
Good.
What enough? Okay, so who's ready to hear the nasty sounds? No, we'll just roll it outside if it catches fire. It's fine. It's fine.
Fine.
I use the Chuck Sherman. Oh, now your pump works.
Oh, now that pump works.
That's not good.
That's wild.
Well, damn it.
Is that Gaslie's fuel?
Yes, that's the fuel pump. No, that's nothing.
It was. So it would not from the heating engine. Okay.
It wouldn't pump up out there, but as soon as it lit from this gas,
It was pumping.
it was pumping. Of course.
Go figure. That's going to leak. It's fine.
Where's your? It's fine.
Fine.
I used the Chuck Sherman line when I worked on my mom's car today. I said, "It's fine."
It drives. It used to drive my mom nuts when I did that. It's fine. Oh, now it's quiet.
It was yucky for the first like 0.2 of a second though.
Sounds good now, but you can kind of hear it clunking.
So is this the new engine?
This is the old engine.
I have the wrong. No.
It clunks when it's cold and there's no oil pressure.
Right.
And you can hear it right now.
Right.
You hear it? What? Yeah.
Clackety, clackety, clackety.
That's supposed to do that.
Yeah.
There it is. It really gets yucky.
We're going to take that off too because it's not supposed to do that.
It really gets yucky when you.
What happened to you? What happened? We were trying to make you better. Now you're smoking.
Smoking, throwing up. That's
The gas on the outside.
So anyway, you can kind of hear it, don't like it. So
Nice.
we're going to take it apart and we're going to take a look at it.
Nice ignition switch, too.
Thank you. It's my speciality.
Yeah. Custom chingaderas, right, Allie? That's the Bobby line.
Yeah.
I need shirts
go.
made.
All right, so what we have to do, there's not much, believe it or not, there's not much to this. There's 4 bolts that are holding the motor on the mount. There's a couple of bolts in the back. We're going to take the transmission out with it. So we're not even going to separate them. We got to disconnect this wire right here. We got to disconnect that linkage. We got to disconnect this linkage. And this is already, well, it's not disconnected. We got to disconnect that, and that won't take long.
You don't even really have to
And
disconnect
that's about
that.
it. There's not much that we have to take. Oh, this has got to come off right here.
Yeah, that one. We don't have to worry
So
about
you're
that.
gonna pull it with the carburetor on it, the distributor on it, the plugs, the fuel pump.
Yeah,
All
why
that's
not?
gonna stay on the engine.
Yeah.
Got the room, yeah.
Yeah.
Out she goes.
Yeah, no, and most of the time when we do when I do an engine pull, most everything's on it. There's no reason to disassemble it, as long as you've got clearance to get it out.
Some of mine have had rods
I guess the
missing.
power steering pump has to be disconnected.
There's one bolt that needs to be disconnected down there on the power steering.
You just
pump.
take the pump off? Don't
Yeah.
take the pump with it.
Yeah, just
we'll
leave the
take
pump in the
off.
car.
We'll take the pump off, and that'll get rebuilt because it needs to be rebuilt. The valving for the power steering needs to be rebuilt, and the ram needs to be rebuilt. So there's some other things that need to be done. But in the meantime, we can start.
Let's go.